So what is going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video on the Technalize YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be going through the top 5 free programs to start your very own YouTube channel 2018. If you guys do go ahead and enjoy this video, be sure to show your appreciation by leaving a like on the video and also subscribe to the Technalize YouTube channel. So guys, with all that being said, let's jump straight into the number 5 spot. In the number 5 spot we have Blender. Now Blender lets you render out intros from YouTube, which you can find by just searching Blender intro templates in the YouTube search bar. A whole bunch of videos come up. If you guys would like to see a tutorial on how to edit and render an intro, feel free to let me know in the comments below. In the number 4 spot we have Audacity. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you guys would have heard of the software Audacity, as that is one of the most popular voice recording softwares which most YouTubers use. Audacity is a free voice recording software which not only lets you record your voice, but gives you multiple effects to make your voice crisp. So if you are using a cheap microphone, then Audacity is going to help you produce more high quality audio for your videos. In the number 3 spot we have OBS, which is also known as Open Broadcaster Software. OBS is a well-known free software which allows you to capture your monitor or any form of gaming screen for completely free with no watermarks. Not only can you record your footage, but you can also live stream to multiple platforms in a crisp 1080p 60fps output. In the number 2 spot we have Paint.net. Paint.net is essentially a free version of Photoshop. This software lets you create your YouTube channel art and video thumbnails for completely free. Again, if you guys would like to see a tutorial on this, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And finally, the number 1 spot is Camtasia. Now Camtasia offers a free trial to edit your videos with. Not only is it a free trial, but a very simple and sleek process of putting together video footage and audio footage you have recorded. So with those free softwares, you should now be able to make your own YouTube videos. If you want to see more videos like this one, then feel free to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the Technalize YouTube channel. Anyway guys, that is all from me. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.